Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you this vehicle. It's a Living C700DL. It costs 70,000 euros and it is 7 meters in length. It's got a width of 212 centimeters. It is a motorhome really for two people. I mean, you can make a bed up front as well, so only four. What it's got is it's got this German layout at the back. It's got a window at either side, storage at the back. We've got a ladder to get up into bed, but of course the bed doesn't need to be this big. If you don't want it to be, you can make it a bit smaller. Let's see if I can make it smaller using my two hands. I suspect that's from the front of this vehicle, and maybe from another vehicle. I'm now going to take this out, put that to one side. I'm going to take there's the ladder coming out. Oops, I'm hitting the roof, knocking a hole in the roof, and this will push back. This will push back. Oh, it's a bit stiff. Then again, it's new. And in here, we've got storage there. Look at that nice big wardrobe. Could do with a light, but you can't have everything, I suppose. And over here we have got, oh hang on, does this work? No, that's not the light. And we've got a bit more storage down there. And there's the storage in here. Yes, there is. You've got that as well. So nice lot of storage around there. Of course, a bit space at the back as well. And this one here does have a light, although it's from the indirect lighting above. Television will go up here. Fridge here opens both ways, so you can get into it from bed. What's this here? Looks as though it's part of the fridge, but it isn't. Possibly you could put those that want microwaves and things like that, which I don't seem promoting microwaves, but that could possibly go there. Possibly, I say, because I don't know how the electricity would come on. An oven, I don't know either. It might be possible. It's taking the gas supply around, which is the problem, which you don't have with the microwave, of course. Two burners, sink, largish, domestic drain. Here we have proper drawers, not these daft ones with holes in the side. Here we have the washroom, two drainage points, sink, mirror, and storage here. Okay, now when you've got a face-to-face, what you can sometimes find is that under this chair here there's an extra seat, but I'm going to put it to you that there isn't an extra seat under there, and the reason I want to suggest that is, oh, there might be, so let's have a look. Oh, guess what, there is. I was wrong. So one belted position there, you can't see the belt, but it is there. Second belted position here. That bit I had it that was on the bed probably goes down there to make an L-shaped setup here, so you've got sort of an extra seat if you want, or when you're sitting here you've got somewhere to put your legs. That bit has to come out when if somebody's sitting in the vehicle's in motion. I think that's a legal requirement. You can't have your feet up when the vehicle's in motion. You have to have them on the floor. Lots of space, very airy. Oh, I like this. It's quite nice actually. Let's have a look at the back. So, oh, your fantastic large garage, brilliant. Now I think this will take 200 kilos in here, and so it's probably, it depends what you're carrying around. It's possibly enough for most people. Two gas cylinders, full size there. Oh, this is nice. This is really, really nice. We've got the door here as well, same size as the other one, so access is quite easy. Okay, I think that is an interesting looking motorhome, but if you want to see a really interesting, I think it's this one here, this A60SB 6-meter vehicle. I think that is the most interesting, done by Adria Sun Living. So there are 28 vehicles in the Sun Living collection, and there's 4 here, but you can find some of the others on my website as well. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. I upload every day at 21:15, so if you're interested in campervans and motorhomes, this is the place to be. For the moment, bye for now.